Right, Jason. Sun's in my eyes.
I thought you were saluting me then. No.
Yeah. That's better.
You want to get have to show this van off? You can go after on there, Kev, show it off.
I will. You're in this, isn't it?
Just come in. About the 47k mark.
A 19 plate.
It's all...
Ooh, aircon.
Numbers.
The aircon up there, haven't we, Jason?
Oh yeah.
Habitation aircon.
Oh yeah. It's a Swift Select 144 Kev. 3 berth with 4 belted seats. Fiat Ducato manual. 26,000 miles. And a 2.3. Okay. Serviced 21, 24, 23, 25, 26. Same with the habitation, so it's been well looked after. Okay.
So what price are we looking at for this?
I think it's 47 or 46. Yeah. I don't know, you'll have to have a look at the website. It's just come in. So
Nice looking van.
yeah, we've got the aircon on the top,
yeah.
isn't it? Nice colour, Kev, isn't it?
Yeah, a couple of grand's, wasn't it?
Yeah. So this is a 6x6 van, popular. Watch that water down there, Kev, because you might drown.
All right.
Right. Lovely. What colour?
Grey.
AK-47 grey.
Grey.
Let's have a one.
AK-47's black. Tow bar.
Tow bar.
We've got a rear camera.
Where are you now?
I'm just looking to see if we've got a rear camera. No, I can't see a rear camera here.
Doesn't look like it, does it?
No.
It's got parking sensors.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we've got the usual suspects. Do you know what I mean? We've got cassette toilet,
Yeah.
the 230 and all thing. So let's jump in this. This is a nice van. These are so popular, these camper vans, are you?
Yeah.
Right. Let's see what we've got. John, that step out, Kev.
Yeah, no,
There you go.
watch where he's standing. Got a doormat there, haven't we?
Yeah. Get on there. Do you want to show the cab off while I get everything set up in here?
I can do. Ooh, nice grey upholstery. 6-speed manual. Aircon. Your usual. You've got a USB port there. You've got your 12-volt socket. You've got blinds, side blinds, windscreen blinds, all your normal stuff, yeah. Looking very nice, Jason.
It's got the
I like the
cab
upholstery.
blinds.
Yep, got cab blinds all round. I like the upholstery as well.
We really need to start going into these vans, Kev.
Yeah. We do go in them. How do you think we're videoing without going in them?
I know. I can't get the lighting to work.
Eh? We'll try turning the switches on.
Oh, content pump off.
We tried turning the switches on for the lights.
I can't see any switches. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no overcab, no top lights, is there?
No.
Yeah, but how do you switch that on? Do you know what I mean?
Right, right.
Oh, I've done it.
They spelled that wrong there. They put dimmer, it should be dumber. Because you're trying to figure it out.
Table above there, Kev.
Yep. So, 2 tables.
Yeah, this is probably going to make up, Kev, a really small emergency bed, isn't it?
Yeah, a child bed.
Just have a look at that.
Yeah, like a child bed.
Yeah, that's going to
Yeah.
go. I want to have a look at that, actually. Just take that off a sec.
There's your trimmer aircon up there.
Oh. Let's have a look at that, Kev. That's going to go over.
There. Yeah.
Yeah. Storage down there. So there's got to be a way of making that up. But I wouldn't class it's more of a child's bed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Than anything else. Let's put that back in. Oh, we've got lights coming on now, Kev.
You've been on light duties, haven't you?
Have you seen that?
Yeah, fly screen.
Yes, it's not got the fly screen that goes across. And they're a pain, aren't they?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, these are quite good.
Right, kitchen area.
See a bit of
Hob, sink, grill, oven, bit of storage in there. Ah, just spotted something. There you go. Ah, there you go.
There's your bed,
and then the board goes on top, doesn't it?
Yeah. That seat swivels.
Yeah. Jobs are good, isn't it?
Yeah.
So lifty uppy, you missed your lifty uppy.
Must me lift it up. Bin.
Yeah. Bit of storage. What are you doing?
Looking what that was. It's brackets for your awning winder.
Ooh.
Can I show you? Oh, it's a nice little wet room, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah. Perfect. Nice size. Yeah, you can have a decent shower in there.
And what I'm noticing, we've got the speakers in the back.
Yeah.
As well. What's that there, Kev? Storage. And then we've got...
Three-way fridge.
Yeah. And what's in there, Kev?
Wardrobe. Oh yeah, there's your makeup cushions for your other bed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just turn that booster off, Kev, in their seat.
Oh, you
drives me potty, that
you
does.
turn them off. They go off
There's a
anyway.
little button. Yeah, come here, let me do it. There you go.
They go
Drives
off
me
anyway when
potty.
you turn your control panel off.
So we've got the shorter bench
Yeah.
seats, so these are going to make up
A transverse double.
transverse, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
You got the advantage as well is that you can leave this bed made up because you have got a dinette area at the front, which is
Yeah.
and it's quite a roomy dinette area actually, Jason.
Oh, I see what I mean. These come over.
That's right, yeah.
Um,
Swing over, yeah.
You've got USBs here now. I do like the speakers. I don't know if I mentioned that.
Yep.
Speakers in above. And lifts up here, Kev.
Hmm?
Goes up.
Yeah.
You noticed? Oh, there's your consumer unit in there as well. So
I like that bit, that touch there, with the cutout on the cushion, so you can
yeah,
so you get at your blinds. Just a little afterthought, isn't it?
yeah. And I like what they've not done here as well. They've not put a window.
No, because you sliding door.
Because of the sliding door. And I don't think you need it, do you?
No, because you've got skylight, you've got two rear windows, and you've got the window behind you.
Yeah. Then we've got the lights.
TV bracket. There's another TV bracket in the front as well. There is.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Now with these TV brackets, you can when you got that backing put on, you can slide it off, walk around there, and then slide it on the other one.
Yeah, good shout, good shout. Nice little compact, isn't it?
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, they do it well. It's quite cute actually.
I think they've got a smaller table up there, Jason. Above, you got the table that'll fit.
No, this one goes into it. This one's a longer table.
Yeah, extends, doesn't it? Yeah.
I'll show you. So what you've got.
It's got a swivelly bit on. Yeah. So you can swing it out. You can.
Once going in, this does, doesn't it?
It does really, doesn't it?
You put that onto there.
Yeah.
Put them into place. There's your table.
So you can swivel both seats. And if somebody sat on the passenger seat, you've still got a table for them.
Yeah.
It swivels out, doesn't it?
Yeah, there you go.
There we
Put
go.
that into place.
Gives you a nice long table.
And then that'll swivel all the way round.
Yep.
Condensation there, Kev.
Good size dining area.
That's it. Lock it that way. Would you like better with the table or without the table?
I'd leave it in.
You want to leave it there?
I'd leave it there, yeah.
Yeah, I think I will do. There you go. See what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
It's very nice.
it isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the added feature, they spent a few quid there on the aircon, haven't they? But I do like the separation.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you what you can do. You can keep the back made up as a bed, couldn't you?
I said that before.
Oh, did you?
I said you can leave that made up because you've got a decent sized dinette. Especially when that table's not there, you've got it's a good sized dinette.
Isn't it? Well, in fairness though, you turn the two chairs.
Yeah.
Let's just grab a look at the back.
Ah, now that's your storage there. You get chairs in
Right,
there.
Kev. Tables, chairs, everything in there.
Yep. Which is what you're always short of in van conversions, is storage for
Do like
chairs.
that. Do like that. Gas bottle, you can put 2 bottles in there.
Yeah.
And then...
More storage there, is it? Oh, it's
drain off.
access to your drain off, yeah.
Let's just drain that down, eh?
Yeah.
So just tell people what that is there, Kev.
Right, this is your winter drain off. Flick your tab up and that'll drain your water heater. Close it when you're ready to fill with water. So it's winter obviously, so we'll leave it drained.
So we have 3...
Open your taps in the mid position.
So we have 3 tanks, don't we, Kev? We have a freshwater tank. We have a
water tank, fresh water, wastewater,
hot water tank. Hot water tank's always full, so we always drain it down when we're not using it. So, and then I don't know if I've showed you, we've got the fly screens, and then nice click clacks, I like to call these.
Yep.
There's one, click, click,
yep.
Click, clack. I don't know where the clack come into it.
It just clicks, it doesn't clack.
No.
You've lost your clack.
No. They never have clack though, have they?
You're clackless. Because we're clueless, clackless.
I think, yeah, clueless will go. Kev, this is nice.
Yep, definitely a nice van.
Yeah. Swift do make a nice van in fairness. I've always liked the Swifts.
Yeah.
They've done it really well.
I like that fly screen,
yeah. Because you know these sliding fly screens that they have?
Oh, the nightmare with the strings always go.
Yeah.
That factory fitted one?
I don't know.
I think it might be.
Don't know, Kev. So there we have the Swift Select.
Yeah.
Nice little camper van. Gives you options. You can keep the bed up at the back all the time.
Yep.
You've got the dinette there. Nice little washroom.
Yeah.
Everything you need for a camper van. So it's around about the 47,000. Good van. Well made, good spec on it, everything you need. What more can you ask, Kev?
Exactly.
If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.
Like and
say
subscribe.
that, I can't say that.
Like and subscribe, and let's have some comments off you. We'll try and answer as many as we can.
Oh, so it was a royal we.
Yeah.
Right. I'll go knock this down.
Go shut it down.